Samsung's new CEO, Kwon Oh-hyun, made it clear during his inauguration the firm will undergo some changes in strategy. A new UI, new technology, and Gadget has more on his statement. A particular focus must be given to serving new customer experience and value by strengthening soft capabilities in software, user experience, design, and solutions. SlashGear explains the new CEO's speech reaffirmed what Samsung's old CEO saw last year. Samsung is making a move to its own software. It was the Google-Motorola deal that prompted Samsung to reconsider its software competitiveness and look to greater investment into not only its chips and hardware, but what runs on them. Samsung's devices currently run mostly on Android's OS. Those devices led the company to a first-quarter win in sales over Apple. So quitting Android OS altogether may not be in the company's best interest. Still, TechEye points out Samsung has already started investing in its own software, what it calls Bada OS. Bada is not quite a household name. Samsung may have the resources to invest in developing its relatively weak software arm, but if it is to match the might of its hardware divisions, it has some way to go to beat the current ecosystem leaders. Shrewd move? CNET reports Apple is the best case example of what Samsung could hope to become if exclusive software is part of the new CEO's business plan. But it's not the only scenario. Companies such as RIM, Palm, and Nokia have struggled with their own proprietary software. Palm has largely disappeared, while Nokia switched to Microsoft's Windows Phone operating system, and RIM is the only one attempting to stand apart with its BlackBerry operating system. Still, CNET says Samsung is the only company, besides Apple, which might be able to pull off a proprietary mobile OS successfully. In addition to Bada, Samsung is reportedly also developing its own proprietary chat system called Chat On. For Newsy, I'm Anna Campaign Romero. Multiple sources, the real story.